In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Chronext promo codes. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser and search up Chronext promo code. And once that is done, you're gonna click on the first website, Travel Easy, and go on the website. So once you're on this website, you're gonna see many promo codes. Okay, so as you can see, there are many here. So for example, the first one is take 20% off whole purchases. So you can click get code. And once you're here, it's gonna ask you to enter a quick captcha to verify you're a human. So you're gonna type in CLB0. You're gonna click verify, and once you do that, it's gonna show the code. So in this case, the code is autumn20. So all you have to do is click copy and click go to the website, which will take you to their website, and there you're gonna choose your products and use this code at checkout to get a 20% discount. Similarly, there'll be many other codes here, so I'm gonna scroll down and show you another one here. So for example, this one is 75 pounds off dollar purchases. You can click show code. So here you can directly go to the website, so it's an ongoing offer, so you don't need a code for it, so you can directly go ahead and use it. So there's another one here, take $100 off. So you have to type in the captcha once again, SATQ. So click verify. We could just try again. It is LETX. Okay, that's it again. Another error. This one NVPW. VPW. Alright, that should work. Alright, so that's the code right there, special. The same process, copy and go to the website and use it at checkout. Well, this is just first website, but you can go ahead and go over to this website as well, vthrift.com. You're gonna see many codes here as well. So for example, the first one is a 50% off, so you can click show code, and that's the code which is gonna give you a 50% off. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.